If you're on the hunt for a fantastic portable carpet cleaner, this video is for you. In this video, I am comparing these 4 carpet cleaners. We have the uwant portable carpet cleaner, the uwant portable steam carpet cleaner, and then basically the same thing on the BISSELL side. We have the BISSELL Little Green Pet Pro and the BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam Pet. So basically their carpet cleaner and their pet cleaner. And yes, these are my favorite 2 BISSELLs I have ever tested. I've tested quite a few of them, and I was gifted both of these uwants for full disclosure. Let's get into it. Now I want to start by going over each cleaner individually so you know what to expect. And then I will do a decibel test and a cleaning test. Now I've had this Little Green Pet Pro for years. I love it. In general, all of these portable cleaners are so great to have when there's just spills or messes, or if you have pets or kids. This one has 2 large tanks. This is your dirty tank where all the waste is going to go into. It has a filter on it to prevent any of that waste from going through the airway, and this is where the wastewater shoots into it. And this is really easy to dump, and the lid is very easy to take off and kind of tip to the side so it air dries without getting too smelly. And then on the other side, you have your cleaning water tank. As you can see, I've already added cleaning liquid to it, and BISSELLs usually come with a mini container of the Pet Pro Oxy Spot and Stain, but there are a lot of cleaners for BISSELL, and you can use them in the uwant. Just keep in mind that they need to be the formulas made for portable carpet cleaners, not upright carpet cleaners. And then the final element with this is that it has a nice long hose. All of these have comparably long hoses and power cords. And then it is going to have this scrub brush right here to kind of scrub as it's cleaning. This is removable. And I know it came with other ones when I first got it, but it's been too many years. And this top piece, which obviously I have not cleaned for you, is also removable, so you can clean this out completely. And on top of that, it has a self-clean feature built in where you can hold down this nozzle and it will actually spray into itself to self-clean both this section and the whole tube. And then when you want to spray outwards, you tap this the other way, and now it's going to spray out as it's cleaning, which of course I'll be showing you shortly. And then we have the BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam Pet. It is basically the same design with steam as an option. So instead of just an on-off switch on the top right here, it actually has where you can clean with liquid and steam. You can just steam clean, or you can just use it like a regular portable carpet cleaner with just spraying the cleaning fluid. So you have more options here. And then it also has similar tanks. It has the larger dump tank for all the refuse. Same concept here. One difference with this one is that this lid is actually locked on, which I think is really smart. It's not just going to fall off on you. You actually have to pull this handle and rotate it all the way over the lid for it to come off, and the handle stays with the lid, which is really nice and clean. And on the back side, it also has basically the same water tank, so very similar concept here. And then it has the same length hose, but with this one, because it's a steam cleaner, you get a couple different options. This is your steam cleaning nozzle. This is going to be really designed for things like cleaning your stovetop, your shower tiles, places where you really want to steam clean, not really upholstery. And it is going to be steaming, and it actually has suction as well. So it can do both, and it's very, very cool. But then on top of that, it has a very oversized cleaning nozzle here with this scrub brush on the front. This is not replaceable. It is just this one simple scrub front. This part again is removable. The steam and spray will come out here, and this one does not have a self-clean function. Next up is the uwant steam cleaner, which is definitely different, but very comparable to uwant's portable carpet cleaner. This one has regular cleaning with this one right here. Then you can actually heat the water and just have hot water cleaning, and you can have steam cleaning. So very cool options there. And then it looks like it has a singular tank, but this tank actually has both sections in it. I'll show you right here, When you open this up, you will see this part that's enclosed is where you can fill it with your cleaning solution. And then this section right here is where all the dirty water will go as it's suctioning. And this is really nice in that you can just remove this entire element for a quick clean. And then on the inside here, it does have this little filter that you can take off and clean from time to time to keep the ventilation clean. It starts with this bristle brush right here that you can actually flip around to kind of more like a rubbery section, and this is great for pet hair. So you can either scrub at the stain or get up any pet hair while you're working on the stain. And then it has a removable top like the other ones, but you'll notice that this piece is here, it sprays from above instead of below. And that is the same with both uwants. They have a very different design in that regard. And then it comes with a variety of other accessories as well. It comes with this little clear accessory, which is actually your self-cleaner. When you put this on and spray, it will clean the tube for you. And then it comes with this steam scrubber. This will not do suction. It's only going to spray and steam. But you kind of have these scrubby bristles here, or you can actually switch out this top portion or add this really focused nozzle as well. So you have a lot of options with this. Again, this is going to be great for your carpet and upholstery cleaning, and then any of your steam cleaning projects. And with this nozzle, you definitely can get really focused. Now, when I got this uwant, it came with a spray cleaner, so you'd spray this on and then suction it off. Uwant also has their own concentrate, which you can put in the container, but for this test, I gave them all the same Pet Pro cleaner, so I am only testing these on the quality of the machines, not the cleaner inside them. And then for the last one, the uwant Y100 carpet cleaner, that it's just simple. This one is just an on-off, like the first Bissell I showed you. This one is basically the same concept. It has the exact same tank with the two sections and the same filtration, so very clean there. And then basically the same spray accessory, has the same top. This piece again can flip, so this is all exactly the same. This one does come with this additional piece, which is just a little more gentle. It's kind of like a microfiber scrubber, so if you have something that you don't want to damage, this is a really nice option. And then it also comes with the self-cleaning top. One piece of note with this one is it's the only carpet cleaner out of these four that does not have a grounded plug. I'm not sure what the decision-making tree on that was, but just of note, this one might be easier for you if you don't have grounded outlets throughout your home. Now, I went ahead and did a decibel test. I'll let you listen to that right now. And as you can see from that, these are all noisy. They're all in the 80 to 86 decibel range, which is really not a huge range. So they're very comparable, but this uwant is the loudest and the Pet Pro over here is the quietest. Let's get to cleaning. Now for my cleaning test, I'm going in with some barbecue sauce, as this is a mean thing to test with. This has tomato puree in it, vinegar, molasses, lots going on, but mostly it's that tomato that's very hard to get out. Now I'm going to clean with each one individually on a section of this, and to make it fair, I'm going to do each one for the same amount of time. So the first one to test will be the BISSELL Pet Pro. So I'll just turn it on and get to it. So I'm sticking to roughly 30 seconds. That was 31 seconds on this one section. There is still the slightest bit of tomato on it. And yes, I probably was spending a little too much time on both sides of the tomato stain, but there is a little bit of a spread. So I'm going to do that with the rest of the cleaner, see how this goes. Now I probably could have stopped faster with this HydroSteam, as it definitely was cleaning that a lot faster, but I gave it the same amount of time and it did a fantastic job. You can see the difference with using a larger nozzle. That makes a huge difference. Obviously, I took advantage of the steam. I was cleaning it with the water and the steam. Now with the uwant, I have the option of steam or hot water, not both. And I'm just gonna go with hot water as that is exactly what I want for this. Steam would be better on tile in general. So I'm gonna clean this with hot water. It will take a moment for this to heat up and then I'll give it a clean. I gotta say, I am really impressed with the uwant steam. It really did pull it up quickly, and it actually made this very nice and white. Keep in mind that this carpet obviously is changing color as we go down it, which can impact how it looks, but that did a really good job. There is the slightest bit of tomato still there, but that is actually the case with the other two as well. So 30 seconds, that's where it got to. And the final test is the standard uwant portable cleaner. Now prices are always fluctuating, but this is usually the best priced option out of all four as well. So if that is something that you need to consider, definitely look at this one. Let me show you how it works. And that also did a fantastic job. I honestly am gonna have a hard time picking a favorite out of these four as they all did such a great job cleaning. So here are the four cleanings. Even on camera, I'm having a hard time telling which one did a better job. They all actually did a remarkably good job. Now they all did a remarkably good job cleaning that tomato-based barbecue sauce off of the carpet in 30 seconds. So I am really impressed with that. It's actually hard to tell which one did the best job, but I would say it's between the two steam cleaners. It's just a little bit cleaner. They just pulled up a little bit more with that heat. And then when it comes to the best for large surface areas, I would have to say that the BISSELL HydroSteam wins on that just because it has a larger nozzle and it has enough power to really get the full spread with that larger nozzle. One of the reasons why most of these don't have really large nozzles is it reduces how much suction they actually have, which reduces their cleaning power. So it's always that fine line, but I think this HydroSteam has done a fantastic job on that. As for best value for money, this is a hard one as these all go on sale and fluctuate in price a lot. But in general, uwant is the more affordable option, either their steam cleaner or their regular portable cleaner. This one is going to be even more affordable. And so if you're looking for an affordable option that is just as comparable at cleaning as the more expensive options, it is going to be the uwants. And then of course, the quietest was the Pet Pro. Now, if I were to pick the best one overall, that gets a little bit harder. I think for me, the best one overall is still going to be this BISSELL HydroSteam. I know it's more expensive, but it is such a great cleaner. That said, if it comes to the price and the sound and the quality of cleaning, this uwant portable cleaner, their basic model is really quite impressive, is going to get what you need done, and is so much more slimline that it can really fit into small shelves in apartments much more easily to really be set aside and there when you need it. But I really think you'd love all four of these. There really aren't any cons to these portable carpet cleaners. They're all fantastic. I hope this video helped you make a decision.